Hey guys, in this quick video I will demonstrate you how you can change the color on your app. Currently I have my Trailhead org with 3 open tabs, 4 open apps, and then with 3 applications available. So I have my sales app, which is using a block color, custom color. As you can see, if I click on any tab, it will basically utilize the same color. And you can see also the horizontal line right below the navigation bar, which is also black. My second custom app is Solar Bots. It's using orange color. And my third is the Service Console, which is also lighting app, is using green color. So I'm back to my sales app and I do want to change it from black to something else. I click setup, look for app manager. Let's look for sales lighting app, click edit. And here you actually where you create your custom app, but on existing one it's currently utilizing the black color. And see, you can change the hex color or click the tab itself and change the RGB, or actually just drag and select whatever you prefer. So let's say in this case I will go with the red color, click save. Something else you can do, if you can upload a picture and then click this checkbox, you can utilize the color of that picture automatically, which is a nice way to do. Maybe I can show that to you too, but let's see if this changed to red color. Sales. Here we go. And you can see how this is going to work. Right? Cool.